Good evening, everyone. I'm Jamison Euler.
And I'm Wendy Ryan. Thanks for joining us. New today, we found people heading north to try and stay ahead of the red tide bloom.
ABC Action News reporter Sarah Hollenbeck is live on Madeira Beach. Sarah, crews tell you they had a hard time finding dead fish to pick up today.
Absolutely. They combed this whole area from Paso Grill to Clearwater and could hardly find any dead fish. And just take a look at just how beautiful it is out here. I can tell you the smell is a lot better than anything we've seen over the past 2 weeks. But some beachgoers I found today still aren't taking any chances. The Whitehead family may be staying on Clearwater Beach, but they're building sandcastles in Tarpon Springs.
Having a little one, we didn't want to risk it.
So instead of visiting the beach 5 minutes away, they drove 45 minutes north to Fred Howard Park, the only beach in Pinellas County not touched by red tide.
When you're second guessing if you're putting someone in harm's way, that's not why you go on vacation.
The sudden influx of people to Fred Howard Beach keeping Sean Bokel busy.
Very thankful. I wouldn't be working right now.
Typically, his kayak and bicycle rental stand is closed this time of year during the week. But since red tide hit, they're back to a full-time schedule.
We've been very lucky.
And so is the rest of Pinellas County. Offshore winds pushing dark water away from all of the beaches.
We really hope the people come out and enjoy the beach, because I think you've got the opportunity to do that right now.
Cleanup crews rolling out this bait shrimp boat in the intracoastal with a 12-foot net, but hardly finding any fish to scoop up. Business owners tell us they're cautiously optimistic.
It really hurts to send people home, cut hours back, so I'm excited for visitors to return.
And tests at every Pinellas County beach today showing lower levels of red tide, and this very helpful offshore wind is expected to continue throughout the weekend. Reporting live in Madeira Beach, I'm Sarah Hollenbeck, ABC Action News.